Hello guys, welcome back. Konnichiwa. Herzlich willkommen. So, my friends, update here on Under Armour stock. Ticker is UAA. We're trading on the New York Stock Exchange. I made already here a couple of videos on my channel because I think there is a potential to see something like a technical rebound for Under Armour. But please watch this video until the end, guys. We have here a very high short interest. Under Armour is a very risky play, so I give you here my opinion. Based on the chart, this is not financial advice. Please make your own due diligence. So, guys, when we zoom in, then we know that Under Armour is in a super strong correction mode here. But when we zoom out and see the chart from the beginning or from the past 5 to 10 years, then we can see that we are still in an uptrend, the all-time low, or at least when we zoom out here until 2009, the lowest price was $1.49. We're trading now here at $4.55. And I mentioned in my previous video that we have to do one more move here to see a potential rebound coming in. What do I mean by that, guys? I start first with the indicators before I show you my drawings. In my last video, I stopped the chart here when I made my last video here, mid of October, October 16. And I said that we have here one open down gap at $4.50. The price was trading at $4.76. And I said that we have to close this gap. When I say we have to, guys, there is never a guarantee, but the chance that these gaps get filled is about 90%. So I use here my gap indicator pro, where you can see all the open down gaps and of course the open up gaps, and all these gaps are technically price targets for Under Armour. We had here a huge gap down. You can see a huge gap in the chart, and as I said, I waited here for this gap close. So why is this gap so significant? I will show you my drawings in a second. Let's first see what happened here with Under Armour. And when we just compare that now here shortly with the drawings, guys, it's not only the open gap which we have here, we have also a trend channel pattern for Under Armour, and this trend channel bottom line is a potential technical support, which means, and that was what I said here in my previous video in mid of October, that in the perfect trading world, we will come back down, retest this trend line here with a gap close, and then might see a technical reaction. So let's use TradingView here, press play. And then I show you also some very important signals on the RSI Ultimate indicator. Let's press play. If my theory was right or wrong. You can see a small attempt here. We have here the EMA line indicator, which shows you the average prices here. All the indicators, guys, are available in the video description. And you can see that the Gap Indicator Pro showed this open gap here. And this gap has been filled right now here with the candle from Thursday, guys. So what is next, guys? So let's talk about the bullish things first, but please watch this video until the end, guys, because we have to talk about the bear scenario as well. We are here now in the bullish algo demand zone. Usually Under Armour has some kind of support here in this zone. You can see my previous videos when you want to see all information on that. We have here a bullish support zone where usually the bulls buying the dip, right? So that means with this retest here, with the gap close, we have a chance that we see here a technical correction, the technical reaction. The last time that we had this touch point here with the liquidity zone and the trend line brought here a small pump for Under Armour of around 57%. This is of course not a squeeze, not a short squeeze. We talk about those price levels afterwards, guys. So what could happen next is that we see a technical reaction. We have some natural EMA line resistance here. One of them is waiting here in the $6.10 range, $6.15, depending on the day. And the next closest open up gap in the daily chart for Under Armour is waiting here at $6.59, showed by the Gap Indicator Pro. What is very important when we now switch to the weekly chart, I want to show you also the RSI. This is this, guys. So we had here a powerful signal on the RSI Ultimate indicator, which brought this 57% pump here. And now we have the first bullish alert signal, guys. So even the price is going down, the RSI is building some strength. We have a so-called bullish divergence, but this is my own RSI indicator, guys, that works a little bit different than, or totally different compared to the usual trading view RSI. So we have here already the confirmation that bulls start to buy the dip. Of course, we don't have big volume yet, but this is a significant signal in combination here with the trend channel bottom, in combination with the algo demand zone. There might be something coming up for Under Armour, guys. Yeah. When we talk here about technical signals or reactions, we had here yesterday a beautiful squeeze I post here my own selection stocks on Patreon. So every week I post here stocks where I think there is some potential behind those tickers. We used for this stock here the gap indicator, the Squeeze Calendar Pro, and the Squeeze Calendar Pro predicted a short squeeze, or not predicted, calculated a potential short squeeze for this ticker here. The ticker was BQ, guys, at the 3rd of November, November 3rd. Then on the October 30, we had our short squeeze here more than 900%. That was just on Thursday, guys. Yeah, this ticker went completely parabolic. There is even a glitch in TradingView. It doesn't show the complete candle here. And you can see that I posted this ticker already here October 17. So we already knew what we are waiting for, how to trade the stock, and had here a massive squeeze. And my members could also make some nice profits here, guys. I have a lot of stocks like this available on Patreon, but it's not always about short squeezes. You also get a lot of trading tutorials and member FAQ sections. So everybody who want to learn more about trading, because this is my main purpose, guys, then please join us here on Patreon. The full package membership gives you access to all my content here, including, of course, the member stocks and the trading tutorials. The link patreon.com/blackbelttrader is available in the video description. So guys, this is here the best case scenario for Under Armour. We switch now back one more time to the daily chart. So in a perfect trading world, we could see here a technical reaction. And as I said before here, the retest of this black EMA line at $6.15 is one of the potential price targets. Then, we have this open gap at $6.59, which would mean here a 44% pump. And the bull run trigger, aka the resistance, is at $6.81. This is what we know could be here coming up for Under Armour. If we keep the structure here, if we start to build lower lows and lower highs, guys, then we should not break this price. If we break $6.81, we have here higher squeeze price targets for Under Armour. So I said, please watch the video until the end, because we have to talk about the short situation. And Under Armour, guys, is short by 24%. This is huge, guys. Huge, huge, huge. That's why I say this is a high-risk investment. Make your own due diligence if you want to invest in this stock. 24% short interest means the short sellers are still not happy with the actual price. Yes, if they cover shares, we might see a strong technical reaction. Even a squeeze is possible. But keep that in mind. This is a quick in, quick out play, and you can lose here a lot of money if you make wrong decisions. Float is quite low. We have here a float of 188 million shares. And out of those 188 million shares officially related to Fintel, 45 million shares are short, guys. Yeah, it's a very interesting chart setup here. Very interesting pattern. I think also interesting for swing traders. But when we break this price level here, guys, let's talk about the worst case. Yeah, if we don't find any support here, you can see there is the next open gap waiting at $2.84. So we have here a lot of downside potential. So be careful here and make your own due diligence. My friends, if you want to see more updates on Under Armour, please hit the like and subscribe button. I have a very simple rule. I want to create content which you want to see. So if you push this video above 300 likes, then I know you want to see more Under Armour videos, and I will do it for you guys. If not, I go forward here with other content and try to bring you the best stocks which you like to see or not, guys. It's up to you. Thank you so much for your support. I wish you great success and see you in the next video. Arigatou gozaimasu. Vielen Dank, alles Gute und bis zum nächsten Video. Take care. Bye bye, guys.